Hi everyone, welcome to the GeoAR tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how can you do a location-based calibration and save this calibration as spatial anchors so that you can reuse that in a different session or in a different device. Right? This requires the device to be connected to the internet so that it's gonna save the anchors to the Azure Microsoft server, and as well there are these to your database. This requires some management of those cloud spatial anchors, but there is a lot of documentation on Microsoft about them. I don't know how long they're gonna provide this service. Seems like they're gonna provide until the end of this year, and maybe this service will be discontinued. But let's start. So let's first do a very normal location-based calibration. I will select here location based and press calibrate. So we have here your 4 calibration spheres, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will collect points for all of them. So I have here my GPS for HoloLens that's providing my geographic coordinates. I will collect for the first sphere. Okay, let's collect for the second one. Let's collect it for the third one. Let's collect it for the 4th calibration sphere. Alright, you have your location-based calibration. You can see the blue spheres are the points that you collected, and the pink spheres are spheres that prove your calibration to measure the accuracy. Right, here's the accuracy. Now I want to save this calibration as a spatial anchor so that you can reuse. You click on options and select spatial anchors. Alright, now I have here for spatial anchors two buttons, one to save and the other one to load. Now you want to save, but they're gonna save this calibration associated with an index. That's the index that's selected in the visualization options. In the visualization options, you can see that you can select different visualization, different scenes, and the calibration will be associated to one of those indexes. Don't forget that. So in case you want one of them, you need to load using the same index. So let's start. I will press Save Anchors. Alright, now you're calling the Azure service. So what they ask, what you need to do now is walk around and look around so that they start saving those anchors based on the mesh, on the scanned environment, right? So you need to walk around. And then let me close this. So they are saving the anchors. So you need to walk around, look around a lot, takes a while. So the blue spheres are turning red. It means that they are already saved on the Microsoft Azure server, right? So they are saved. There is still some blues here. There is only one more to save. Once all spheres are saved in the Azure servers, their ID will be saved on the database. Wow, now, okay, they are all green. It means that the spheres, this calibration is saved on the Azure servers, and the ID are as well stored in your database so that you can reload them with the proper attributes, right? So now the calibration is saved. Next, I will show you how to load them. Alright? So let's test here the visualization. Okay, you can see in the Stephansdom there, you have a marker here for Karlsplatz. You have one marker for the building overlay there. You have one landmark for this church tower. So you have a nice calibration here. As you can see, one of those buildings you overlaid. Okay, great. So in the next video I will show how to load those anchors again.